What I know you have a lot of people on your channel, Frankie, that a lot of new people to trading, and a lot of people that are very, you know, old school and been around for years. Let's talk on the newer side of things. What would be something if you sat down with somebody that was on the front end, maybe understood crypto, understood the idea of trading, but just had like some questions, some general questions? What would be something that you might point them towards?
Yeah. So real quick, I just want to touch on the emotion thing. I
Yeah.
could not agree more. You know, it's like if people were in my Discord and I had a 100% hit rate and it was guaranteed, and you know, this goes for anybody, 99% of people would still lose trades if they didn't go up straight to your profit target. So emotions is 100% the hardest thing to do. You could be the best at TA, you could be the best at finding good entries or key levels, but if you get emotional even a little bit, you know, you're gonna get wrecked. But also want to say one of the most important things about trading is trading naked. I think it's one of the biggest things that can drive your success. And I am not wearing pants right now. So just for anybody wondering.
Fantastic. This is getting better. Stream's getting better as we go.
Proof of pants, man. Proof of pants. What's going on?
I'd say Pixar didn't happen, dude.
But yeah, I basically, for me, like you said, you know, I do have a lot of new people, and it's interesting. I like seeing what the experienced people in my community tell the new people in my community, because I just like seeing, you know, how people try to direct newcomers. But let me go ahead and share my chart here real quick. So you put a high and a higher high, making this upward slanting diagonal line, and then if you come down to your oscillator, in this case I use Market Cipher B, but you can use the RSI, which is free on TradingView, in the same exact way, and you have a high on your momentum wave with a lower high on your next momentum wave. So you have a high, higher high, high, lower high. But the key here is that you're pushing into key resistance. So you know it's likely to get a rejection off of this, you know, a reaction in general off of this key level. But because you have the bearish divergence, you're expecting a move to the downside. You could also use other confirmations. For Market Cipher B's case, you see the money flow is starting to come out. Those are my confirmations. I entered this trade, and you can see, I mean, it absolutely dumps down. And by looking at the volume profile, you could see that there's, you know, obviously I have a high volume node here and a big fall off in volume in this area, resulting in this massive dump down like this. So this is what I wish. Key levels, divergences, and if you want to throw volume in there to try to find out where the gaps are, it's just an added bonus. So set your trap, let price approach, and then find your confirmations and get into the trade.